Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to walk into my local thrift store. It is Monday and it's half off, so I'm on a mission and I'm looking for a couple of things. Maybe we'll find something, maybe we won't, but I also want to take you along to go shopping somewhere else. So let's go shop with me today. So today I have my Ezra. Hey, Ez. I have my Kobe, and we're gonna go take a look at Savers, and I think we should be able to find a couple of things, but my mission is some picture frames, and I'll tell you why a little bit later, but I need a lot of them, so we'll see what they have. You know, it's a little bit in the afternoon, and I think Savers is kind of picked over when you go in the afternoon. I bet a lot of hunters are getting a lot of good stuff in the morning. I did find a few frames, and I got a little skirt. Well, I just got a skirt, and it was about $9. So right now we're going to head over to HomeGoods, and I hardly ever go there. So I feel like I have a lot more to share with you as you shop with me at HomeGoods. Let's go. Ooh. I'm kind of looking for a wreath of sorts, something not too big. And I'm hoping to find it here. We'll see. So pretty, some of these wreaths. Wait, there's nothing here. The store has so many really hodgepodgey, different colored stuff that you just weren't really looking for, that you knew you needed. Like, look at these. So pretty. Awesome bathroom vines. Maybe I should have came here and got the soap dispensers because so many different kinds. Need a towel? Cute little lamps.
Budding artist.
You are a budding artist.
No.
And large lamps too. So these are really good priced. I know how expensive lamps can be. I have a funny story. At her piano one day, I fell asleep in her armchair and woke up and knocked over and broke her lamp. I felt so bad. So I got her a gift card to go get herself another lamp. It wasn't cheap. Remember when I broke Mindy's lamp? Look at how cute these frames are. Ooh, I like it. this little collection is.
Mom, right here.
That's going to be on there. So this is my favorite part about Home Goods, is that they have like all of these little furnishings, and they're not too pricey. So you may find something that's one of a kind here at Home Goods. And I always have my eye out for bed nightstands. Like that would be a nice one. We just have a really tall bed.
Oh, what is this?
But I do have my eyes set on something for the bathroom downstairs as well. That's really pretty. What's that? Looks like a glove. A baseball glove? No. Oh, these are clearanced. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Ooh, I like that. It's nice. They have such a large selection of rugs. Decent priced ones too. If you want to take a look. If you're one who needs to like touch and look. This is like what I buy at IKEA. For double the price. So I wanted to show you some of the things that I got. I didn't get very many things, but I got this cute little like Hawaiian looking printed skirt. I thought that would be so cute for either just the material or to actually wear. I'm one who wears skirts all through the summer just because it gets so hot here that skirts are just way better. And then I got a few of these frames. They were all either $1 or $1.50. And I think I'm gonna just paint them. So I have some chalk paints and I'll pull out some of those and I'll show you what I do with them. But don't worry, it's gonna come up very soon now that I have most of the materials that I need. I think I just need some decor pieces, but it's gonna be so cute, you guys. So I've started to paint this one with just a white chalk paint. I will also do this one in white and then this one in black. So we'll have some black and white frames, but I'll show you when they're done. So easy, you guys. And it's so cost effective. Well, I just finished painting the black one. Oh man, I just love this chalk paint from Walmart. It's like $6 a container, which is so much cheaper than Annie Sloan. I have bought some chalk paints in the past that were like $30 to $35 for like this size. Ugh, why? So these are $6 and I love them. This frame is beautiful. It turned out so good. And then the white ones, you guys. So I have to have our states represented where Isaiah's at in Virginia and Nevada. Woo woo. Okay, so Savers save the day, right? So I'll be showing you pretty soon what this gallery wall is going to be looking like. But for now, I'm just happy to have a few more extra frames for a few bucks. And then what I ended up getting from Home Goods, isn't that a great store? They have really like one-of-a-kind pieces there that, you know, isn't like, I don't know how they get all their pieces actually, but they have some really great stuff. And so I wanted to get a wreath, and I did. So I had a gift card for $3. Is that funny? But I just had to use it. And so this ended up becoming, with tax, $11. Just a little, like a eucalyptus or a boxwood wreath. Eucalyptus wreath. Yeah, that's what I thought. So this was super cute. I love this kind of look, this hearty pointed. It's not, this one isn't frosted. I know around in the winter, they tend to, some of them can be even frosted looking. I just love this look. It's so cute. I could probably just, in fact, I know I have made a wall in the past of just wreaths like this. So you can go to Michael's and get these in different sizes, and just making like a gallery wall almost of wreaths is so cute. I've done that before in my bathroom. But I could do a wall, just a focus wall with just a bunch of wreaths. They're just adorable. And I'm really hoping that Target will have them coming up really soon. So you guys, that's it. I spent like 20 bucks. It was totally great. So thanks so much for going with me on this shop with me to the Savers, which is a local thrift store, and Home Goods, which is a beautiful decor place for one-of-a-kind pieces. Let me know if you have a Home Goods in your neighborhood and if you've ever been shopping there. So thanks, rollers, for sticking around. Give this video a thumbs up. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone, and stay healthy.